Hi there. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to control where your WiserNotify notifications appear by using URL conditions. Whether you want notifications on specific pages or groups of pages, I'll show you how to set it up step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your WiserNotify dashboard and choose the notification you want to configure. Click on Customize and go to the Display tab. By default, notifications are set to display on all pages. To control where notifications appear, select Pages when URL condition matches. Here you'll find 6 options to customize your display rules. First, let's talk about contains and does not contain. Contains. Use this to display notifications on pages with a specific keyword in the URL. For example, if you want to display on all URLs which include the text product, like wisernotify.com/product or wisernotify.com/product details, type product into the text box. The notification will appear on all pages with that keyword. Does not contain. Use this to exclude pages with a certain keyword. For example, if you want to hide notifications on any page with blog in the URL, you can simply enter blog here. Next, we have equals and does not equal. Equals. This is perfect when you want notifications on one specific page. For example, to display notifications only on your pricing page, just paste its exact URL, like https wisernotify.com/pricing. To avoid mistakes, copy the URL from the browser and paste it here and click on Add. Does not equal. Use this to hide notifications on one particular page. For example, to exclude your thank you page, paste its exact URL here. Finally, for advanced targeting, you can use regex to match multiple pages at once. For example, let's see how to use regex to match multiple pages with regex. It's super helpful when your website has URLs that follow a similar structure. Here's an example. If you want your notification to show on all cart pages like https wisernotify.com/mobile/cart, https wisernotify.com/anything/cart, and so on. You don't need to add each URL one by one. Instead, just use the pattern. https wisernotify.com/*/cart. This pattern will match any URL that has something between https wisernotify.com/and/cart, making it easy to display notifications on all those pages. If you want to hide notifications from these cart pages, use does not regex and enter the same pattern. https wisernotify.com/*/cart. This will exclude notifications from all pages matching that pattern. Once you've set up all your conditions, save the notification and it's time to verify that everything is working as expected. Visit the targeted page and refresh it hard 1 to 2 times to avoid any cache issues. If you still have questions or run into any problems, you can message our live chat support team.